Hello everyone. I, Professor Rinku Yadav, Department of Mathematics, Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research Indore. Today's lecture we are going to discuss surface integral. Now first of all we discuss surface integral. By the name of the topic, this is surface integral that indicates that integral which around the surface. Here an integral based on this surface is called the surface integral. Now let's move on the mathematically definition of the surface integral. Now consider a vector field A and S be any surface of the vector field. ds denoted by a small part of this surface at point P xyz and n cap be the unit normal vector of this part ds. Then ds write as n cap ds. Here the flux passing through this small part will be a dot ds or equal to a dot n cap ds, because here we study surface integral in the vector field. So this is the notation, vector notation n cap. Now the flux of vector passing through the whole surface can be obtained by integrating it over the whole surface S. Then surface integral S defined as double integral S A ds or double integral over surface A vector dot n cap ds. Now here we define some more notation. Here this is a rxy. Here rxy, if it is the projection of S on xy plane, then the value of surface integral I double integral A ds will be double integral over surface S A dot n cap dx dy upon n cap dot k cap. Here we define ds in xy plane dx dy upon n cap dot k cap. Similarly, if our projection of surface lie on yz plane, then the value of double integral double integration a dot ds will be surface integral a dot n cap dy dz upon n cap dot I cap. Similarly, if our projection lie on zx plane, then we will define surface integral in this manner: double integral over s dot n cap dz dx upon में n cap dot j cap. Here I, j, k are the unit vector along the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Now here there is some remark. If our object is 3D object, then we can calculate unit normal vector by this formula: n cap equal to grade phi upon में mod of grade phi. Here this is a mod of grade phi. Now one more remark: if n is a free from unit vector k, here this is a unit vector and n is also a unit normal vector. If n cap is a free from k, then the formula 1, this is our formula 1 in here, see, this is double integral a dot n cap dx dy will not use. Because of that, n cap dot k cap will be 0. Now similarly, if n is a free from I cap, then this formula second, and if n is a free from j, then this formula third are not useful. Now let's illustrate this concept with the help of example. Now let's move on the example. Now in our screen, first we have to evaluate double integral as a dot n cap ds, where a is a vector defined by x plus y square I. Here this is x plus y square I minus 2xj plus 2yzk, and s is the part of the surface of the plane 2x plus y plus 2z equal to 6, which is in the first octet. Now in the solution part, we have to calculate double integral. This is say I. Here I is double integral s a dot n cap ds. Now first we have to calculate the value of n cap, which is equal to grade phi upon में mod of grade phi. Here this is a del phi and mod of del phi. Now it is obvious by the definition of grade phi. First we have to calculate the value of grade phi. So grade phi is I del phi by del x plus j del phi upon del y plus k del phi by del z. So in our question, phi equation of the surface, and it is defined in the form of plane. Phi is equal to 2x plus y plus 2z minus 6. Here the value of grade phi is defined as grade phi equal to I del phi by del x. Here phi is 2x plus y plus 2z minus 6. So we calculate the differentiation of phi with respect to x. We will give 2. Now similarly plus j del phi of del y. The value of del phi by del y is 1. And similarly k component will be coefficient of k component. This is 2. So here the value of grade phi is this, and modulus of grade phi or mod of grade phi calculated by under root 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, that gives me root of 9, which is equal to 3. So here the value of unit normal vector n cap will be 2y plus j plus 2k divided by 3. This is our equation number 3. So first we calculate unit normal vector with the help of this concept grade phi upon my mod of grade phi. Now after that we calculate the dot product of A vector and n cap. Here A vector defined in our question, A is nothing but A dot n cap. A is x plus y square I minus 2xj plus 2yzk dot 2i plus j plus 2k by 3. In dot product, we know that we multiply I by I only, j by j only, k by k only. So here we multiply by x plus y square by 2 by 3. We take 1 by 3 outside. Here the value is 2x plus 2y square. And here if we multiply minus 2x by j 1 by 3. So we have minus 2x and 2yz multiplied by 2, then we will find 4yz. So here this is cancelled. Then value of A dot n cap will be equal to 1 by 3 2y square plus 4yz. This is our A cap dot n cap. Now here first we calculate the unit normal vector. After that we calculate A dot n cap. Now we apply the formula. In our formula, what is I? Here I is I equal to, see our equation 1, I double integral A dot n cap ds. So here I will be double integral A dot n cap ds over S. Now here Rxy is a projection of S in xy plane. Then it is obvious the value of ds is nothing but dx dy upon n cap dot k cap. Now, so by equation 3 we have the value of n cap, and which is equal to 2i plus j plus 2k divided by 3 and dot of k. So result will be, if we multiply I by 0, it is 0, j by 0, 0 and k by k, that is a 2 by 3. The value is dx dy upon 2 by 3. See our equation 4. Now we put the value of n cap, A dot n cap. So this is our 3, and say equation number 4. We can write equation 4 and it is our equation 5. Now put the value of 3, 4, 5 in equation 1. So here we have I will be I equal to double integral, the value of A dot n cap will be, if we take 2 outside, 2 by 3 y square plus 4 y z. A dot n cap, the value of this is A dot n cap, and ds is nothing but dx dy upon 2 by 3. So this will be cancelled out. In here, the equation of surface is 2x plus y plus 2z equal to 6. So here we can find the value of 2z, so that we replace z, or we find the value of 2z in the term of xyz. So here we put the value of xyz. 2z will be 6 minus 2x minus y. Now we put the value of z, the value of 2z in I. What we have, if we put the value of 2z, we find here there is value, we put the value. So we will find the value of surface integral, we put the value of 2z. So I equal to double integral as y square plus 2y take outside, and we put the value of 2z, 6 minus 2z x minus y dx dy. So here double integral over as y square plus 12y minus 4 x square, and this is if we take 2 outside, here is only 2, here is only 2. So this is 6y, here is 6 minus 2xy, here is 2xy. So we can rewrite again this equation in correct way. Y square plus 6y minus 2xy plus y square dx dy. So here this will be cancelled, this is minus, so this is cancelled. Now resultant will be, wait, so the resultant value of this I, this is our I. If we take 2y outside, this is 3 minus 2x dx dy. Now here at last we can find double integral over surface lie in xy plane. So in xy plane z will be 0, then the equation of the surface is 2x plus y equal to 0, sorry 6. So the limit of y will be 0 to 6 minus 2x, and for finding the limit of x we put y equal to 0. So value of x varies from 0 to 3. Here we apply this limit and simplify, we will find the value of surface integral. So I will be 0 to 3, 0 to 6 minus 2x, 2y, 3 minus 2x dy dx. First we integrate with respect to y and then x. So I will be 0 to 3 to y square by 2, 3 minus 2x dx outside. So here 2 will be cancelled back. We apply upper limit minus lower limit, 6 minus 2x. What we have? We have I equal to 0 to 3, 6 minus 2x whole square minus 0 square and 3 minus 2x dx. So if we simplify this term, we have 0 to 3, 2 square outside. So this is 3 minus here. If we take 2, 3 minus x. This will be, here is 3 minus 2x and apply 2 common. So this is 3 minus x whole square. Here if we simplify by 2, what we have? Here there is some correction. If we take 2 outside, so here is remaining term, it will be 3 minus x. So here is also 3 minus x because we take 2 outside. Then the resultant power of 3 minus x will be power 3 dx. Now at last we can calculate integral with respect to x. So we use substitution, put t equal to 3 minus x, so that dx dt will be minus of dx, and limit of t, if we put x equal to 0, t will be 3, and if we put x equal to 3, t will be 0. So the value of t varies from 0 to 3 to 0. This is the limit. So we apply this substitution in our given question. We have I equal to 3 to 0. Here square of 2, this is 4, and here is t whole power 3 minus of dt. If we use the property of definite integral, then we can change lower limit by upper limit or upper limit by lower limit. Then that it will take minus outside. Then the value of this will be t cube dt. Then integration of t cube with respect to t is t to the power 4 by 4, and 0 to 3. 4 will be cancelled out. Then this is 3 cube minus 0 cube. That will be 20, t to the power 4. This is 4. Here is 4. This 3 to the power 4, that gives me 81. So here the value of surface integral, here given surface is a plane, will be 81. Now let's move on the another part, another question based on surface integral. Now let's another question. Take, evaluate. Now question number 2, we can write evaluate double integral as f dot n cap ds, where f defined as yzi plus zxj plus xj yz zx zx xy k, and S is the surface of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, which lie in the xy plane. Now, given f is yzi plus zxj plus xyk, say equation number 1, and defined surface is the equation of sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 1. Now first we calculate the value of surface grade phi. Grade phi is nothing but del phi, or del phi is nothing but del evaluated by this surface x square plus y square plus z square minus 1, and the value of del is I del y del x plus j del of del y plus k del y del z over sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 1. Now here the value is I del by del x of this, that gives me 2x. Similar way, del of del y of this gives me 2y, and similar way this is 2y here, this is 2y plus k, this is 2z. Now calculate the value of mod of grade phi. The value of grade phi is nothing but square of 2x whole square plus 2y whole square plus 2z whole square. If we take 4 outside, the resultant value x square plus y square plus z square, and we know that the value of x square plus y square plus z square by the equation of the surface, say equation number 2, which is equal to 1. So 4 into 1, that gives me 2. Now the value of n cap will be, the value of n cap will be grade phi upon my mod of grade phi, that means xi plus yj plus zk divided by 2. So here resultant is xi plus yj plus zk. Say our equation number 3. Now after that we calculate the value of f dot n cap. Now see equation number 1 and see equation number 3. Now apply dot product. So if we multiply by equation number 1, yz by x, v by xyz. So if we multiply zx by y, we get xyz, and if we multiply xy by z, we get xyz. So resultant value is 3 times x, y, z. So equation number 4. Now our sphere, part of the sphere lying in xy plane. In this case, we take projection of as in xy plane. Therefore, we will use ds is equal to dx dy upon n cap dot k cap. So here dx dy upon n cap is nothing but xi plus yj plus zk dot k cap. So value is dx dy upon my z. Say equation number 4. Now the limit of this projection in xy plane, here x square plus y square equal to 1 in xy plane. So the limit varies from, in xy plane, y varies from limit of y, here limit of y is, y varies from 0 to under root of 1 minus x square, because we take xy plane. Now limit of x, here limit of x equal to 0 to 1, because of our sphere is like that, and in xy plane we take a projection. Now here x varies from 0 0 to 1 0, and the value of y will be y equal to 0 to on that line, and this is the line is nothing but, this is a circumference of square x square plus y square equal to 1, so that we take limit in this way. Now we put all the value in I. Our I will be double integral over s, then limit of x 0 to 1 and the value of y 0 to under root of 1 minus x square. F dot n cap is 3xyz. ds is nothing but dx dy upon z. So this is cancelled. Now first we integrate with respect to y. What we have? We have integration of y with respect to y is y square by 2. Now apply limit 1 minus x square dx. So here the value of right here we apply the limit I equal to 3 by 2, constant we take outside, x equal to 0 to 1, x 1 minus x square dx. Now simplify this term and apply limit. Simplify this term and integrate. With respect to x, we have x minus x cube dx. So integration of x with respect to x is x square by 2, 3 by 2, x square by 2 minus x to the power 4 by 4 and apply the limit. We have 3 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, resultant will be 3 by 2 into 1 by 4. So this is total value is 3 by 8. So this is all about the surface integral. Now surface integral basically which is a integral associated with this surface. Thank you. This is our surface integral.